In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can fix your ear speaker not working on iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing we need to do is we need to head over to settings. Now you need to scroll down and select accessibility. And then from here, you now need to scroll down until you see the option for hearing devices. Now, once we click on this, what you can do is you can enable hearing aid compatibility. So another setting that we need to change is we need to head over to settings again, go over to Bluetooth, and then we want to disable our Bluetooth because this could be interfering with our speaker and the audio coming from our ear speaker. The next setting that we can change is head over to settings. We now need to again head down to accessibility, and then from here you need to scroll down until you see the option for touch. Select this, and then you now need to scroll down until you see the option for call audio routing. Right now it's set to automatic, but if we click into this, you will then be able to select speaker. Now, if none of these options do work, you may need to go ahead and try and clean out the speaker on your device. If that doesn't work, you can also go ahead and try a full reset of your phone. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix the ear speaker on iPhone. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.